Alright, so check this out. We're back in it. We got this trading channel right here. I like to draw a trading channel. Really what we're looking at is we're looking at if we were to see a pullback on Bitcoin, we would be looking to see it around 15,200. We got this big trading channel right here. And so this is the potential area where we could see a pullback because if you're new to Bitcoin, there's not been a lot of price action at these levels since 2018's all-time high. That means there's not a lot of VPR support, which, I could go over this all day long, but basically what this means is that if Bitcoin pulls back, it's most likely going to stop right here at this level. We saw a small retest right here at 15.2, basically confirming it. You can see it wicks down right here. And so we have this potential support line at 15,200. So, you're tuning into this channel, you want to know what's going on with Bitcoin. This is, we could potentially see a pullback to, let me see if I can draw this. We could potentially see a pullback to 15,200. Looking back a little bit further, we got a lot of trading volume right here. This is down over in the $13,600 range. So we could see another potential pullback to 13,600. But here's the thing. We do have trading volume. Bitcoin's all-time high was 2019, so we do have trading volume around this area. So we could see a pullback down to 13.6. We could see a pullback down. You could see 11,600 in this channel. We got some previous trading channel right here, so you could see another pullback to 11,600. And then from right here, obviously, we have a massive amount of support. We could see, huge support here at 9,800. We could see huge support here at 9,600 if this didn't hold. So looking at the chart, we got 11.6, we got 8.98, we got 9.6. These are all potential pullbacks. That's if we see downside. Let's see. Looking at these charts. Let's go off of if we see some upside. So, let's say going back to the 1 minute. Let's say that we break out of this. We confirm bullish out of this golden pocket that we're trading in right now. And okay, so let's say we've confirmed bullish out of this golden pocket that we're trading in right now. We break higher. This would be, and this would actualize this bull flag that's potentially playing out right now. It looks confirmed, but we need to see more volume. It's retesting it right now, but we need to see more volume to confirm this bull flag on the 1 hour chart. So looking at this chart, if we hit 16K, if we actualize this target, we're gonna see a retest. And if you see a retest, most likely what's gonna happen is if we get rejected, which means we hit 16K, we get rejected from that level, there's gonna be a lot of buying and a lot of selling at 16K, so the price is going to go up and down like crazy, is what you're going to see at the beginning if we retest 16K. Potentially, this could turn into this if we trade higher, this could technically turn into support, which is what we would most likely see. So 15,800 to 15,200. 15,800 to 15,400. 15,800 to 15,400. 400 is what we could potentially see a pullback if we get rejected at that 6K level. If we don't get rejected at that 6K level and we continue higher, there's a very little VPR support, which basically means previous price action, because we haven't spent a lot of time at that higher level. So what we'd be looking for is we would just need to be looking mostly at the volume indicator, seeing where volume is. Again, what I like to do is I like to go to the minute chart. When I'm trading this, I like to go to the minute chart, and anything like a million in volume is enough volume to move these markets on the minute chart. So you can see that there's obviously a lot of price action right there. So this is what we're looking at. 16,200 is going to be our next target if we're able to break 16K, which is our current resistance level. We break that, this is going to be a video that you can see in a week, and it should still have relevance. We break 16.3 is what we see as having a little bit of support or a little bit of resistance. 16.35K would be what we'd be looking at next. So these are all targets. These are all potential targets that we're looking to hit. If we can break 16.2, if we can break and hold above 16,000, this is what we're looking at. What's going to bring us down? Most likely volume. We need to see more volume come into the charts. A million on the minute chart is good, but we need to hold volume. We hold volume, we hit these, we hit this, we hit this. Next target. So what you have to understand, I wanted to make this video for expert traders and beginner traders, whoever you are. I basically want to just give you a rundown of what's going on in the markets right now. But if you're more on the beginner side, 16.4, 16.5, 16.6, 16.7, 16.8, 16.9. All of these are psychological levels. So we do have to break above all these, and there's no real VPR resistance at these levels, but there's psychological resistance. So these are all going to be hurdles. And then obviously massive hurdle would be 17, 18, 19, and then 20. These are all massive psychological barriers. And then if we break above 20K, well, if we break above 16K, we've been in a downtrend since 2017 that we've just broke above. But when you pull out the Fibonacci retracement tool, we're trading right now below the golden pocket of 2019. Or of 2017's all-time high. So we break above that channel if we hit 16. We hit 16,000. That's going to be a huge level to the start of the bull run. And so what we're looking for is that if we hit 16K, if we smash 16K, we're going to 20K. Pit stops at 16. Everybody's saying, there's going to be pullbacks possibly. Here's why people are saying there's going to be pullbacks. People are saying there's going to be pullbacks because in 2017 there were a lot of pullbacks. 2017, in my opinion, was a much different time. There was a lot of FOMO in the market, a lot of fear in the market. And so FUD and FOMO, fear of missing out, people were buying into this market because they were, afraid that they were gonna miss out. A lot of other people were buying into this market. I think that my point is that the times are different. I think that with institutions, they're gonna look at things like RSI, which is what seems to be the case if we go to the daily chart right now. RSI is on 90, which is why everybody in the crypto space right now is talking about a potential pullback. We could see a potential pullback. And again, let me just show you those targets for the pullback. I'm not saying that these numbers are happening today. They will come, but there's no guarantee that they do today. These are the main targets that you want to keep an eye on. And then obviously, these are the short-term pullbacks that we're going to see if we get rejected from 16K if we go up to it, and then these are the targets if we break it.